Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Virus. I am Subham Kesri. In this session, we will learn about line breaking tag and horizontal line tag. Now, line breaking tag. If we want to break line after some sentence and display the next sentence in another line, then we use BR tag. BR means line breaking tag. This tag is an empty tag. Now, open your notepad and write HTML head title. Now give you a title. Okay. Now close title tag. Now close head tag. Now open body tag here. Right here HTML stands for hypertext markup language. Now change line and write here it was developed by Tim Berners-Lee. Now close body tag and finally close HTML tag. Now save it. Okay, see here HTML, it stands for hypertext markup language and it was developed by Tim Berners-Lee. Both sentences are in different line. Now run this break.html. See here both sentences are displaying in the same line, but in notepad see both are in different line. See, now write here BR tag, save it and now refresh it. See, now both sentences are displaying in different line. If you want to add more line, then write here BR again, save it and run it. See, okay. Now horizontal line, it is used to give horizontal line. For this we use HR tag. HR stands for horizontal line. The HR tag creates a line from the current position in the document to the right margin and breaks the line accordingly. It is an empty tag. Now see, remove BR from here, right here HR. Now save it and refresh this web page. See here web browser is displaying a horizontal line between these two sentences. Now you can also add some attribute in this HR tag. You can add align attribute. Align attribute specifies the alignment of horizontal line. The value of this align attribute are left or right or center. The next attribute is size. This specifies the size of horizontal line. Width, it specifies the width of horizontal line. Color, it specifies the color of horizontal line. Now see, right here inside HR tag, write size equals to 10%. Save it and run it. See, the size of this line is 10% now. Increase it to 20%. Save it and refresh it. See, the size of this line is now 20%. Okay, now right here width equals to write 50%. Now save it and refresh this page. See, the width of this line is 50% from here to here. Okay, now right here align equals to left. Save it and refresh it. See, here this line is now left align. Okay, now do here right. Save it and refresh it. See, now this line is right align. Okay, right here center. See, now this line is center align. Again do here left. Save it and run it. See, okay, now you can also set the color of line. Right here color equals to red. Now save it and run it. See, the color of this line is red now. Okay, change this color from red to yellow. Save it and refresh it. See, the color of this line is yellow now. Friends, in this session we saw about HR tag and BR tag. If you have any doubt related to this tag, then please knock me on comment section. Thank you.